Today's businesses are facing a new, complex, and daunting challenge. Then again, it's all in how you look at it. Evoking IBM's work in partnership with Charles and Ray Eames, this machine was designed to be playful and easy to understand. At times representing data, applications, or even a viewer's own business, the color-coded spheres take business leaders on a guided tour through the key steps to a more modern organization. Viewers can see how IBM helps them clean their data, analyze it, even watch Watson sort and filter as new data is introduced. Just like a Swiss clock, the installation brings together precision and design, helping make the complex simple, and turning the head-scratching, anxiety-ridden burden of digital transformation into an elegant problem solver right before your eyes. Ultimately, just like everything IBM does, it's all about bringing together human and machine to do incredible things.